ATI high current tool module contact tip and wave spring replacement procedure. Remove the socket head cap screw from the center of the tool contact tip. Remove the tool contact tip and wave spring from the insulator block and discard. Apply a liberal amount of non-hardening conductive silver grease to the mounting surface of the new contact tip. Insert the new contact tip and new wave spring into the insulator block. Insert the socket head cap screw into the tool contact tip and secure. Tighten the M3 socket head cap screw to 10 inch pounds.